What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to see if I can try to help you all save some money with something I had a problem with a few years ago. It's my 21 CRF450X. When I first got it, I did not keep a battery tender on my battery, and it came with a lithium Eliiy battery, I don't know. And the problem is when the voltage drops below a certain point, it has circuit boards and whatnot, and it popped that fuse. And a brand new battery would have been $260-ish from the factory, and other aftermarket lithium batteries were well over $150. So what I did was I went online, actually Walmart, and took the stock dimensions and compared it to ones that they had and found a battery that worked for 50 bucks, saving lots of money. So as you can see, this battery is tiny, and one of my biggest concerns was that with the new lithium batteries, they hold so much power and amperage, and this is an old school AGM battery, tiny package, and I was worried if it would even be able to start the bike or long rides, or sitting for a week or so, and I've never once had a problem. One big thing is I did add a battery tender for when I'm not riding very often, and I just plug it in and that keeps it charged. But like I said earlier, I took the stock factory battery size, took the measurements, and found this tiny thing that only costs 50 bucks that fits right in without any modifications and never had a problem. I've had this battery in for about 2 years, and the way technology is with all these bikes nowadays, lithium batteries are so expensive. It's not just the 450X, but all of the brands are carrying or using lithium batteries. And all you have to do is take your measurements, go down to the store. I even use a tape measure just to double check. Threw this thing in, don't even know the difference. So if you're like me and you didn't properly take care of your lithium battery and need a good alternative, don't be afraid to throw one of these cheap batteries in. I had the big concerns of not working well. It works no problem. Would it ever go back to lithium? You can pick these up at almost every Walmart and auto parts store. If you have a CRF450X, mine's a 21, it takes an ES4LBS. But go find one that works for your bike.